Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya. And today I want to share my own story written and illustrated by me. And it's called Cat's Kindness Works. That was the story I won an award for in Reflection Arts program. If you like my story, please hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Now I'm gonna read my drama, Cat's Kindness Worked. Once upon a time, there was a catty named Tim. Tim is a very kind-hearted. One day, while passing by, Tim saw a birdie lay down. So, Tim ran to the bird and said, "Hey birdie, what happened to you? Please get up. Get up." The birdie was bleeding and died soon. So Tim felt very bad and sad and thought like maybe some cat might have killed this birdie to eat, but when the bad cat heard my voice, he might have left the birdie without eating. At that point, Tim felt sad. From now, I'll be on my mission to save the day by saving the birds, not to eaten by others. To do this, first, I need to do friendship with birdies. One day, Tim was going in the forest in search of food. There, she saw a great plant and wanted to climb on it to eat some grapes. But the grape plant is very high and the grapes are not reachable, so she fell down. So she decided to go from there, and again on the way, Tim saw an apple tree and felt this would be the perfect size for me to climb. 1, 2, 3. Hi-ya, climb. Hi-ya, climb. Hi-ya, hi-ya, climb, climb, climb. Hi-ya, hi-ya, climb up high. Hi-ya, hi-ya, touch the sky. Hi-ya, hi-ya, get as many apples as Tim wants. So she picked some apples and ate them and started moving from there. On the way, she saw a birdie flying over. So Tim called the birdie. "Hey birdie, will you be my friend? I want to do friendship with you. Not only you, but with all the birdies." "Who you? Look at you. You cats are very bad. Bad. You guys will kill us and eat. So I am not gonna be in trouble doing friendship with you. Please listen to me. I am not like others. I am on my mission to save birdies. So please do friendship with me. We both can work on it." Birdie, while flying, is thinking in her mind, "This cat looks good for me. Okay then, let me test and observe her secretly." Catty felt bad because the birdie flew away. So she started to move on again. On the way, Catty saw a bird is unconscious and crying with some pain and wounds. "Please anyone help me, give me some water." So Tim immediately went to a pond and brought some water and fed the birdie and also did some first aid. So the birdie got up and said, "Thank you for helping me," and flew away. The birdie who was observing everything secretly saw this and came to a conclusion: this caddy is good. I can do friendship with her. So the birdie went back to Tim. Hey, caddy, I can do friendship with you. Now, as I saw everything from the sky, that you're helping nature and kindness. So from now onwards, we both can make up a team and help all the poor injured birdies. Thank you so much for your support. Since then, the caddy and birdie started helping the birdies in the forest and lived happily ever after. The end. I hope you enjoyed my story about the kind cat. I'm so happy to win the award in the literature category of Reflection Arts program. Bye! Please check the link below for the Reflection Award ceremony.